In today's world, data is king. But with so many projects and so much data, how do you know which data to use? Well, Newforma Konekt users solve this problem by taking advantage of the PowerBI integration. This turnkey solution, which has a pre-configured dashboard, no API call limits, no coding required, gives you access to all of your project data across your entire hub. We can see overviews of projects, issue-specific data. We can see the health of the project and the issues that are within it. We even have the ability to access key metrics for individual issues directly within the dashboard. No need to log into Newforma Konekt. This way, you and key stakeholders can access the data they need through a simple dashboard. And if we don't want to see all of the project data at once, you can simply select the project or projects you want to see, and we can see the data change right before our eyes as the data is live.